Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel How to Solve Physics. In the last video, we have discussed first topic of electrostatics, that is electric charge and its origin and interaction between the charges. Whoever missed the topic, first go through. Now we are moving to the next topic of electrostatics, that is method of charge. There are three methods of charging. First one, friction. Second one, conduction, and one more is induction. In this video we will discuss friction. Triboelectric effect is also known as triboelectric charging. It's a type of contact electrification which is first of all noticed by the Thales, in which certain materials are electrically charged when separated from a different material with which it is initially in contact. Do you know, every day most of electricity is by the triboelectric effect. Tribo is a Greek word that carries the meaning the rub, refers to the friction. Material that acquire a significant charge on rubbing together, like include when glass is rubbed with the silk or hard rubber is rubbed with the fur. One of the fine day, John came to my house. He is approaching towards the corridor. What happened? As he entered the corridor and moved on the carpet made up of the fur in front of the door, and touches the knob of the door, getting electric shock. But why? Everyone astonished because there is no electric connection with the door. Exactly happened. John wearing hard rubber shoes, getting rubbed with fur of the carpet, which is nothing but the ocean of the electron. They are transferred to the John's body. When he touched the knob, which was initially neutral, there is a flow of electrons from John to the knob. Look at the diagram. Opposite to flow of electron, there is a direction of conventional current, means to John, and he was electrically shocked. Basic concept behind the triboelectric effect: whenever two bodies made up of suitable materials are rubbed with each other in suitable conditions, one which is having comparatively lesser work function losing electron, and second in contact received electrons, thereby body which is losing electron becomes positive charge, whereas body getting electrons becomes negatively charged. The triboelectric series, what is this? With help of series of experiment of rubbing between some common materials, a series can be made, and that is known as the triboelectric series. Common materials are, see, human body, glass, wool, cotton, aluminium, paper, steel, wood, hard rubber, copper, silver, gold, rubber, which with the balloon is made up, the PVC, etc. These are the common material we are using day to day life. When we are using any two and rub with each other, materials on positive side tends to have a greater affinity to give electrons than those on negative side. When any two material in series are rubbed with each other, the one which is on negative side to pull electrons from the positive side. Let us solve a question based on concept of charging by rubbing or friction. If object A is rubbed with object B, A is getting positive charge, whereas B is getting negative charge. However, when A is rubbed with object C, A is getting negative charge, whereas C is getting positive charge. What we have to find? Find charges on objects when B is rubbed with C. Think a while. Just we discussed the concept behind rubbing is the work function. In first step, A and B are rubbed. A is getting positive charge, B is getting negative charge, means A is having lesser work function. Is it? A is having lesser work function and B is having more one. Is it? Likewise, in the second step, what we have done in the question, given question, when A is rubbed with the object C, A is getting negative charge. A is getting negative charge. And C is getting positive charge. Means here, comparatively, C is having the lesser work function compared to the A. Is it? In third, that we have to find when B and C are rubbed, taking first step and second step together combining, what we have been concluded? Work function of C is least 1 and work function of the B is maximum 1. What is the work function? It is the minimum energy that is required to escape one electron with minimum kinetic energy. Okay, means if we are having C is having the least work function and B is the maximum one, means when B and C rub with each other, then C is getting positive charge. Is it? And B is getting negative charge. Is it okay? Fine. Have you noticed lightning between the clouds? Do you know? It is known as sheet of light because it light up all of the sky. This is also a natural example of frictional electricity. Thanks for watching. To know more about next method of charging, stay tuned with me by subscribe and share. Thanks once again.